Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Because I made the Halloween costumes for the dolls, I really wanted to set up a little Halloween party for them. I started by pulling out my foyer and set it up. Then I brought in some little orange Halloween lights and put one along the ground on the back wall and then hung one from the top on the front wall. I pulled out all my pumpkins, and I have way too many pumpkins, but I just picked out the ones I wanted and I started layering them on the back wall. I got these cute ones at the Dollar Tree, but I think I'll save those for now. Here's how they were looking in the beginning. And here it is complete. I brought out these little corn stalks from last year, and I'm going to put them on either side of the doorway. And then I just pulled out a few more little fall decor. I brought over some of the Harry Potter potions and some of the candles from that room, and I'm just going to put them all around. I tried to make a wall out of this wood board. It did not work out. I also brought in a small table. I did end up switching this table out for the Harry Potter table. And I had a few of these little orange tea light candles, so I just put them around the room. I tried to hide them. Then I pulled out some of my clay food that I made last year, I believe, and put it around the room. I had to see how it would look with the lights turned down. I ended up bringing over this wall, which was part of a project I never finished, and then I brought over the little foyer room box that I built, and I think it looks really cute together. I got 2 of the new Miniverse Make mini Halloween balls, and I thought we could open them together. And I thought they would look really cute on our little food table. When I opened this one, I saw the green, and I thought maybe it was Beetlejuice inspired, but it wasn't. Here's our brochure, and it has the 4 that you can get, and it has all 4 directions on each one. Cute little coaster. This is the little accessory bag. We got our tweezers, and we got a little pie server. I think the packaging is really cute on these little bags. In this one, we got a little cake. And we got some sprinkles. This is a little like icing topper for the cake, and then we got some little bats decoration for the top. This is our resin. And then we got this really cute little cake, this little dish. So the first step is to put the purple icing all the way around on the bottom of the cake. It was kind of hard to get out, so I ended up kind of globbing it down, and then I used the tip of the glaze to kind of spread it around. Now you put sprinkles on that. There's 2 little toppers, the white spider web and then the little bat. And you have to put the icing down and then put the 2 toppers on. So it was kind of hard to find the holes once it was covered with the icing. This is the second ball. We got a purple table in this one. And these cute little glasses. We also got a spiderweb coaster. Here's what we got. We got these little dirt cake. Our accessories, we got 2 little shovel spoons and the tweezers. These little gummy worms are adorable, and I really hated to use the resin and glue them down, but I did do it. We also got 2 of these little toppers that are shaped like gravestones. This is the dirt for our little dirt cakes, and it's like that magic sand. And here's our glaze. The first step is to take some of the sand and put it in the bottom of the cup. I used this little Miniverse makeup and kind of packed it down in there. Then you put a layer of the glaze. I don't have a really good light to cure these. I just have the one that came with the, I think it was Miniverse Create, that came with the little chef hat light. That's all I have, and it was not doing a very good job. So mine did not set correctly, so the layers aren't real clear, but I'm fine with it. They're still really cute. Here I have all the layers done, and I'm going to place the little tombstone topper on, and then I'm going to put some glaze on and put the little worms on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.